Today, I want to talk about things that pretty much guarantee that your emails will end up in the promotion tab or in the spam folder. These are things like you definitely don't want. These are like purgatory for your emails. And if you can eliminate these things from your funnels or from your email marketing, then you should see a definite improvement in your deliverability score and how much people actually engage with your emails. So the first thing is something that a lot of people overlook, but I've talked about it before. It's about neglecting your relationship with your list, not emailing them for a long time, and then suddenly bombarding them with a lot of promotions. Nobody wants that. It's like, meeting somebody for a date one time, and then you don't even contact them for weeks or months, and then you immediately start sending them explicit pictures and start asking them to do uh, adult stuff with you or something. Nobody wants that. It's weird, it's creepy, and it's the same thing with your email list. You have to nurture the relationship in order for them to open your emails. And if you suddenly start bombarding them with useful stuff from their perspective, then they're going to ignore it and they might even report you as spam. This is the first thing, the most important thing. The second thing is using blatant sales pitches all the time. So even if you email your list regularly, and even if you send them content emails, if you send very aggressive, very sleazy pitches that are obviously like, you didn't put much time in it and it's all about you, and it's not about them, again, they will ignore it. They will move it to the spam folder. They will report it. And Gmail knows instinctively that these emails are pitches and it will move them to the promotions tab. And most people don't read stuff there, so that's a big problem. But you can easily avoid this if you make your pitches more elegant. And if you want to learn more about this, I have a lot of blog posts and videos on my channels and on my blog that talk about elegant persuasion, that talk about moving people smoothly through this journey from lead to paying customer. Now, this is closely related to the third thing, because the third thing is about using a lot of hypey and promotional words in your emails. It's okay to use things like free and promotion and special price and stuff like that here and there. But if you overuse them, Gmail and many other email services have filters, built-in filters that pretty much guarantee that this will cause your email to land in the promotion folder again. So how can you solve this? Basically, just tone back the salesy language first. Secondly, there are tools like G-Lock apps or similar other tools. Just type in Google like email deliverability tester, which will allow you to analyze your emails, in fact, and identify those words and expressions that are bad for the algorithm. And then you will be able to change these, to rewrite them, and then you will see a much better deliverability score, which is really important. Now, one more thing that will cause your emails to land in the spam folder or in the promotions folder is by using very general swipes and very general templates that a lot of other people are using. So let's say you're an affiliate for a big course, for a big well-known course like B School for Marie Forleo or something. And then obviously those people send out swipes usually to their affiliates that they can use to make their lives easier. But the problem is that a lot of people are promoting these courses. And if you're sending the same email that somebody else sent to a subscriber, because a lot of these subscribers are subscribed to, because let's say Marie Forleo, she operates in the online course business. And if somebody subscribes to her, chances are they're going to subscribe to Amy Porterfield. They're going to subscribe to Laura Belgray, or they're going to subscribe to a lot of other people. And once people start promoting B School, for example, from Marie Forleo, then it's very, very bad if they send the same email that somebody else sent. And usually the best email marketers aren't guilty of this, but people who are just beginning or people who don't really know email copywriting that much are tempted to use these templates. Don't, because it will be very annoying to subscribers, trust me. And you don't have to like write your emails on your own. You can still use elements of the templates or the structure or anything. Just make sure to add a new hook, because that's one of the easiest ways to make the email interesting. You can use the second part, which is in the template, but use a personal story in the first part. This will cause your readers to appreciate your emails and to seem like, you know, you've put in the work and you're not just after the commission. And one last tip I want to give you, which is actually really easy to do, is to prompt people to reply directly to your emails. So at the end of your emails, add a PS and say, hey, what's the number one problem that you're struggling with right now? Just hit reply and let me know. I want to know, and start a conversation there, because first, this builds a relationship with your audience, and people who see that you actually respond to their personal message are much more likely to buy something from you in the future. But there's another reason. If somebody replies to one of your emails, they automatically get put in the primary folder from now on. It's one or two replies, it depends, but usually even just one reply are going to increase your chances tenfold basically, or 20-fold, that your email will land in their primary inbox from now. And this is really important because, again, most people check their primary inbox, but they're not really checking their promotions tab. So yeah, 5 tips for you to make sure that your emails land in the primary folder and not in the purgatory of emails. We're almost done with the email marketing part. There's one more lesson here, but make sure to leave a comment and let me know the number one thing you learned from this video or from another video on email marketing. I really want to know, because I love email marketing, love email copywriting, and want to refine what I talk about. I want to make it more actionable for you. So you can definitely help me with this, so I can help you with even more relevant, even better content. Thanks again for watching. See you tomorrow.